Hey, what's up, folks? We got Ronnie here today. What are you hugging on?
Dude,
he's like hugging on some cardboard over there. He has a weird cardboard fetish.
And this one is
So we're unboxing today, unpackaging big mail.
I'm so excited.
Love big mail, dude. Every time I see a box on my front porch, I'm just like, oh, I gotta get it. That's when I saw yours on there. I was like, oh my goodness, I've got surprise big mail. But it was for Ronnie.
Yeah, I was telling Beau, like, I don't know how big YouTubers like get a package and they don't open it for like a month. Like, I've had this for less than a week, and every day I'm like out here with my razor. I'm like, no, back.
All right, dude.
All right.
Discipline time is over. It's time to unbox. What are you unboxing first?
So this is from D21 Customs. We talked about it before, but let's see what it is. There's a lot of tape on here. Oh look, we got some stickers.
Stickers? We like stickers. Who doesn't like stickers?
I got a bunch of stickers yesterday too. I gotta give you some.
Let me look at this sticker.
Damn.
BC. D21 Customs. Dope. It looks like something metal.
Yeah. Oh, we don't want to lose anything.
Ooh, dang. Look at this.
His welds look much better than ours.
Dude, they look way better than ours. We gotta step our game up, dude. Are these some sort of like weapon or something?
Huh?
These look so dangerous. Some sort of weapon or something like.
Nice. So that's the front coilover mount that we ordered.
Ronnie's calling these front coilover mounts.
What would you call it?
I don't know, this is like a batarang, but it's not really a bat, it's more like a ghost.
Dude, look at it.
Dang, that looks dope.
That ain't there greasable.
Car parts look so interesting out of context.
Gotta go this
Is that the lower mount?
upper control arm.
Oh, okay. Upper control arm.
You have to have this because the stock control arm won't fit like around the coilover. But this would.
Oh, right on.
So you have to have this. So you want to do coilovers, you have to buy a custom upper arm from somebody. There's two people that I know that make them. D21 Customs and Mike something.
Oh, Mike something. I know him.
Yep, okay.
It's pretty solid looking.
Yeah, dude. I'm excited for this.
I'm excited as well.
These are crazy. It seems pretty stout. Fully adjustable. I don't know how much like camber we can add or take away, but we're going to find out.
Indeed. Which one are we doing next? Which one are we doing next? Let's do it. Ooh. That's pretty neat. A switch panel.
Yeah, man.
Is that a USB thing?
Yeah, dude.
Dang. What? Ronnie's fancy. HARDBODY's gonna be so just luxury when we get done.
Yeah, this is luxury.
Yeah, dude. It's gonna ride like a go-kart and have the interior of a boat.
Yo, marine. I got this because I want to get rid of like all the wiring in the truck and just run it off the switch panel. So I like do like lights and blinkers, but I won't have blinkers. And really that's about it because I don't know what else I'm going to do with all these.
Ejectocito, cuz.
Yeah, I guess so.
Right on.
We'll put like the switch that I have in there now that turns on the secondary fan and the gauges. We'll have it hooked up to one and whatnot. But this is really cool because you just wire up these 3 wires and it gives the whole unit power, and it's all fused power as well. And then you just hook these up to light your switches, and then you just plug in your hot, like whatever you want to control into there, and you're done.
Yeah, that's pretty
It's
awesome.
super simple. Like it's all pre-wired for you. It's great.
Where'd you get that?
Oh, you know where I got it.
Amazon. Sponsor us.
So I also got like all this stuff down here. So these are already on the truck. They weren't supposed to be, but since we messed up the spark plug wires, we had to put all this stuff on there.
We did burn through a wire yesterday on the dyno.
So we did all that. I bought these connectors so that we can connect stuff up. They're pretty cheap. I wouldn't recommend getting these. Beau already broke one.
Dude, I totally already broke one. I picked it up, pulled on it, and immediately broke it.
Yeah.
I'm good to have around in the shop.
And then I bought these. I don't know how many people have like seen these on Facebook and whatnot, but they're low heat solder connectors. So you just like use your heat gun and it solders your wires together and like seals them up and everything. I figured we'd give them a shot and see like if they're junk or not. Amazon? Yeah, Amazon. Everything came from Amazon except for this and this. Everything else is Amazon. So I guess we can open this one. We're saving this one for last. It's special.
Ah. Special. Especial. What we got in here?
Some loom stuff. What is this stuff called?
Tech Flex. That's what I've heard it called. And I like the name, so that's what I call it.
So it's like Chinese finger trap stuff.
Nice.
And you put your wires in it. Beau has a bunch
Put
of
your
stuff.
wiener in it?
Yeah, whatever you want, you know. Whatever you don't want to carry anymore.
What else is in here?
Just a bunch of connectors.
Bunch of connectors.
So these are 4-wire connectors. And they have both sides. And these ones I got where we make the connection. Because those ones...
What are these connectors for, Ronnie?
I don't know. We got a bunch of connectors.
Why would we need all those connectors?
I don't know.
Why on earth would we need all those connectors? Why on earth?
I don't know. But there's even more.
Alright.
So that was just a bunch of connectors. Let's see what this is.
What is this?
I'm actually excited because I know what this is and I want to see like how good or bad it is. Was there anything else in it?
I hope not.
It kind of sounded like it.
Because
had
it's
a little bit
gone.
to it. Boom!
Boom. It's a piece of metal with holes in it.
It's a vacuum block.
Is it?
Yeah, that way we don't have a whole bunch of vacuum lines whenever we
look
get
at
all this done. Like, we just have this. And the intake manifold will go here, and then it'll go to the brake booster, and then everything else will feed off here, and we can get rid of all other vacuum lines. So, that'll keep it, like, clean and pretty, and we can kind of, like, tuck this away where people won't see it.
I hear that people that run map sensors have those vacuum blocks to feed their map sensors.
Is that something that people do?
I think so. I've heard that.
I don't know. Interesting. Interesting. Alright, one last thing.
You're really quick at unboxing. It's nice.
Bam!
It's a coil.
Yeah. A little coil. So if you guys know anything about like OBD2 hard bodies or maybe just 96, 97 hard bodies, they don't have one of these. But we need one of these.
Do we?
We do.
Weird. We need one of those. We need a vacuum block. We need connectors and wiring supplies. Whatever for?
I don't know.
What's in this box?
Let's find out.
Apparently it is a priority.
Somebody just sent this to me after I sent them a bunch of money. Hey, look.
Hey, look. A
Little Mac valve.
an electronic boost controller.
Yeah.
Mac valve.
What's that?
That is an intake air temperature sensor? No,
Yeah.
that's a
Yep.
temperature sensor.
Intake air temperature.
Is it intake air temp?
What's this? Oh, that's my trigger wheel.
A trigger wheel?
What?
Why ever would you need a trigger wheel,
I don't
Ronnie?
know. I want to compare the stock one whenever we get done.
Okay.
To see if it's going to work or if I'm going to buy the other one. Yep. Little trigger wheel.
Trigger wheel. This is what trigger wheels look like, apparently.
Alright, so
Oh my goodness, what's in that bubble wrap?
surprisingly, this wasn't the most expensive thing out of all this. This was.
Oh, I don't doubt that. Dude, custom work's ridiculous.
Yeah. But this is the second most expensive thing. By far.
Big old connector. Oh my goodness, what is that?
I don't know. It's pretty small. Oh, let's read it right here. Micro Squirt Engine Controller V3.
Dang! By Bowling and Grippo. Cool.
So I
Never
guess
thought you'd buy something from Bowling and Grippo, did you?
You just plug this in and your truck's fast.
Look at that.
Are we done?
That's engine management?
Yeah.
That's tiny.
I think
Dude, my
that's why-
Haltech is the size of an M1 Abrams tank. It's ridiculous.
I think that's why they call it Micro Squirt. It's Micro Squirt.
Well, the cat's out of the bag, folks. The hard body over here is getting some standalone. We're doing the wiring harness all ourselves. It's getting some suspension. It's getting coilovers, all that good stuff.
I'm excited.
Dude, we're all excited. This is super cool. Y'all check this out. All of these wires are labeled. Like this plug was made for the micro squirt, and all the wires that come out of it actually have labels on them.
12 volt switched.
12 volt switched.
Find this one.
You got like sensor ground. You got a tachometer right there, tack out.
O2.
O2. This is fuel pump. Dang, that is convenient. Holy crap.
Map.
Dude, that's ridiculous.
We're not using a map.
The F-150 is getting micro squirted like tomorrow. That's ridiculous how friggin' simple that is.
Yeah, so we have this.
Did you get all this stuff off DIY Auto-Tune?
Yeah.
Dang, what's this? I mean, it's ugly.
So this is a 240 harness.
Okay.
240 harness.
Sourced from our friend Graham Eberly, who teaches welding at Cochise College.
Yeah. And it just has some plugs that we needed. Like this is going to let us fire our coil. These are for our throttle position sensor. So we just needed a few plugs off of it, and he happened to have it laying around and gave it to us. So thanks, Graham.
Thanks, Graham.
Fiddle.
Fiddle.
Yeah, fiddle.
If you want to play a fiddle through your micro squirt.
Injector 1, 2, 3.
Look at that. It's got the pinout on the back of the ECU. Dude, Bowling and Grippo are doing it right.
Tack, O2.
So that's everything?
That's everything.
All right. We got suspension stuff.
Yep.
Upper control arms. Coilover mounts for these coilovers. We got wiring harness stuff. Dude, I'm so excited about micro squirt.
Dude, I'm excited.
I had no idea it was that like well put together already.
Yeah, I mean, it seems fairly simple. Build an engine harness and be done.
And I like your switch panel. I'm a big fan.
Yeah, I'm excited. Basically, I think this is everything that you need for standalone, like with the micro squirt. The only thing we don't have is the map sensor. It's going to be here tomorrow.
But it is on order.
It's on order.
From Amazon?
Yeah.
Dang.
Yep, 3-bar GM map sensor. That's the one that micro squirt or Mega Squirt recommends to go with the micro
All right.
squirt. So that's what we got.
Good job, Amazon, for having everything we always need.
They do everything except for like this Mac valve. But they sell the Mac valve on Amazon. Like if you want a Mac valve, you can get it on there.
Yeah, they do.
So obviously the suspension stuff's custom, so Amazon doesn't have it. The trigger wheel, you can actually find the trigger wheel on Amazon, and I'll have to look and see which size this is, because there's two sizes for the KA, and this to us looked like the right size. So one's bigger and one's smaller, so we'll work from the
And this one matched up perfectly with the other one.
matched with the stock one that we have. So with the other KA motor that I got, we had the old style distributor. So you have to use the older style distributor that uses the external coil. The micro squirt has to be able to fire the coil, and it can't do it with the internal one. There's a write-up on their forum on how to do this, because
On the DIY auto tune form?
DIY
Oh, okay.
because it's the only thing that they say you have to change to make it work.
Oh, all right.
So everything else, all the sensors are able to work with the micro squirter, or Mega Squirt 2, or Mega Squirt 1, or Mega Squirt 3, I would assume. But if you buy the plug-and-play box, you don't have to do this. Buy the plug-and-play box, you plug it in, and you're done.
Right.
But we wanted to do this because the harness was already messed up, and this is cheaper. This is $300, and this is $80. And
we're going to redo the whole chassis harness anyways.
yeah, we plan on redoing the whole chassis harness. That's what we're going to use this for. So with us doing like all that, there's no reason for us to get the plug-and-play box. The plug-and-play box is like $750, $800, $900, and we paid for like everything. We paid $600.
Nice.
So yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. And then we're going to run flex fuel with this. I don't know if you can do that with the other kit. You can easily do it with this kit. It's a sensor, and you plug it in. So easy. So everything's super easy with this from what we can see.
I hope everything's as easy as he makes it sound.
I mean, it literally has a wire that just says flex fuel. So you just like plug that in, and you're done, right?
So we're painting by numbers here, right?
Sure.
We're coloring by numbers?
Yeah, it should be that easy. Total position sensor, right here.
Boom. Boom.
Yeah. I think it'll be fairly simple. I don't think it'll take us too long. Maybe like 10 episodes or so. We'll have it done.
Well, we're expecting what, like a month?
I'm hoping.
We'd like to get through this in a month.
I'm hoping in a month.
The suspension and the standalone?
It might take a little bit longer with suspension, but maybe.
We're gonna try to work on them both at the same time?
No, I'm gonna do one and then get it done and do the other. We'll probably do the coilovers first
Okay.
and then do this.
Ronnie can't stop playing with the Chinese finger trap over there. He's in his own little world, trying to get his fingers trapped. Alright, that's enough. With that, it's time to go. That's the end of this video.
We'll see you guys. I hope you guys are excited as I am.
We are all excited.
Beau's not excited about it.
I'm super excited.
He says he has to modify the F-150 now so that he can keep up.
I'm definitely micro squared in the F-150. If he's gonna have 300 torque in the hard body, I've got to have at least 500 in the F-150. So that's got to happen.
We'll see.
We will see. We'll see y'all later.
See you guys.